Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says find the value of log this plus log this. As you guys observe that the base of the log is same, so we guys can apply the property. But before applying property, just look at here. From this component, can I take 2 common? So, we will be having 2 times third root of 9. So can I write 9 power 1 by 3 minus 1? Base is 2, okay? Plus, here I will take 4 common. So log 4 common 3 power, wait, 4, 3. 3 times 3 to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 and plus 3 power 9 power 1 by 3, okay? I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now, what I feel is it is log m plus log n. So can I apply this property and it will become log mn? Log 2, then 4, then 9 power 1 by 3 minus 1 times, can I write down this thing as like base same power add? So it is 3 power 4 by 3, okay? Like I'll tell you what I will do with this part. Plus 1 plus 9 power 1 by 3. Now can I write down this 3 power 4 by 3 as 3 power square power 2 by 3? Okay, because why I wanted to do this, because I am having 9 over here, so it is looking like a minus b, so I want to make this thing as a square plus b square plus ab, okay, so that we can apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. Okay, so we guys can write down this thing as 9 power 2 by 3. Okay, now little bit more simplifications. Log 8, so 9 power 1 by 3 as a minus b, then 9 power 1 by 3 whole square, so a square plus b square plus ab, 9 power 1 by 3 times 1. So clearly it is a cube minus b cube. So can I write log 8, who is this multiplied by this is a cube minus b cube. So 9 power 1 by 3 power 3. So 3 and 1 by 3 will be neutralized and we will be left with 9. A cube minus b cube, 1 cube is 1. So it is 8 again. Okay, so can I write 8 into 8, 64 base 2. Now it is log 2 power 6 base 2. So can I take 6 outside and we will be left with log 2 base 2, and log 2 base 2 is nothing but 1. Therefore the required result is 6. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.